Hi everyone, Alejandro here with Autel Robotics. Today we are going to practice taking off and landing with Evo. Welcome to the flight deck. The most important part about taking off and landing is picking a safe location. Ensure you are away from any trees or patio covers that are overhanging in your landing zone. Keep your distance when taking off and keep others at a safe distance. Safety should always be your #1 priority. And if the landing zone is in gravel, sand, or dirt, I would recommend using a landing pad to keep debris away from the aircraft during takeoff and landing. Evo offers 2 ways to take off and land: automatically or manually. To begin, let's prepare the aircraft. Unfold, inspect, and then connect to the Autel Explorer app. Now that the takeoff area is clear, let's stand at a safe distance behind the aircraft with the batteries LEDs facing you. This will help with orientation during the landing procedure. Arm the motors by performing the toe-in command stick combo, or CSC. Move both command sticks down and in towards each other. This will start the motors and place them in an idle. Release the sticks once the motors start to idle. Now press and hold the auto takeoff button on the remote controller. Evo will now take off and hover around 3 feet. To land automatically, press and hold the auto takeoff and landing button again for 3 seconds. The Evo will now land automatically. During an auto land sequence, you will still have control of the aircraft. You can use the right command stick to maneuver the aircraft forward, backward, left, and right. And if the landing area is not clear, you can use the pause button to cancel the landing sequence and take full control again. To take off manually, use the left command stick and press up all the way to take off. Once the aircraft is in the air, let off of the left command stick so it returns back to the center position and the Evo will hover hands-free. To land manually, slowly move the left command stick down. This will make the Evo descend. Once Evo touches down, move the left command stick down to the bottom position until the motor stops spinning. I would recommend taking off and landing a few times to become familiar with the process. And again, always take off and land with the battery's green LED lights facing you. Evo also offers advanced landing features. These are designed for use in certain situations and may need to be turned off for others. We will cover these options in another video. And remember these safety tips. Ensure you have a safe location and proper distance to perform a takeoff or landing. Always take off and land with the green battery lights facing you. And remember, you always have control of the aircraft using the right command stick or the pause button. Don't forget to perform your pre-flight checklist and inspect your aircraft before taking off. Thanks for watching, and so long from the flight deck.